Every month when we do orientations for our new staff members at any of our restaurants, the first thing that we tell people about how it is that we like to conduct our business is that our first priority is to take care of our employees. Full stop. That is our goal. That's our responsibility as employers. And in fact, we feel that in order to meet the other goals of being in business, which are of course to take care of our guests and make some money along the way, that if we don't have a content group of employees who feel supported in their work, and that means different things for different employees. For some that means upward mobility within the organization. For some it means just getting the schedule that they want. And we know that for each person it's different, but we know that without our employees, without offering them opportunity to grow, if that's what they're looking for, then we're ultimately not going to succeed.